So before listening to TCS interview experience, I have an information for you guys. So Relevel from an academy is conducting an hiring test through which you can get a chance to work for topmost startups of India. Yes. All you need to do is you just need to register in the Relevel website on a day whichever you are comfortable with, and after that you need to take up the test on the book the date, and after completing the test you will get your Relevel score with which you will create a candidate profile, and then you have nothing to do. You just sit back and wait for the companies to come to you and pick you for the interview, and then you will get a job from the topmost companies. So if you know about Relevel, then it's good that the slots are already booking up and rapidly filling up. So go soon as possible and book your slot. If you don't know about Relevel, we have made a full-length video about all the details. I have provided the link in description, so go and watch about the video. That's all about Relevel. So I will tell you one thing, that is Relevel is providing this test for the candidates without requiring any college degree or CGPA. So you just don't need any college degree or CGPA to work for topmost startups of India. Yes, true. So all you need to do is you just need to be 18 plus, or if you are already working for a company and your experience is less than 3 and you are also eligible to take up the test, and after completing the test you will be picked for the interview and you will clear the interview and go for working for the company. So guys, do register for Relevel and get a chance to work for topmost companies. So the slots are already started booking and rapidly filled up. Almost some of the slots are already booked up fully. So go as soon as possible and book your slots.
Hi Sneha Priya, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. So firstly, can you introduce yourself to our audience?
Yeah, sure. I'm Sneha Priya. I have completed bachelor's degree in the stream of computer science and engineering. I got placed in TCS, Cognizant, Wipro, and in Accenture. Now I'm here to share my TCS interview experience with you.
Okay, that's great. You had placed in multiple MNCs. Sneha Priya, can you tell me about your TR room experience?
Yeah. This year they have conducted completely in virtual mode, but up to last year if a student want to take an interview, they need to go to TCS offices and they need to attend the interview at their place. On the time there are 3 rounds of interview, TR, MR and HR. But now it was an online, that's why they clubbed these 3 rounds into a single round. Means in our interview session there will be a 3 panel members. Based on the panel, they will ask questions to us. And coming to my TR interview questions, my interview was done on December 4th, 2020. I was set up my environment to give my interview.
Yeah, so can you tell me about your MR questions that were asked in your interview?
Yeah. Mostly the MR questions are situational questions. How I face difficulties as a team leader, and how I shared my work during my project to the team members, and if any one of the team member didn't listen my words, how I convey the message and how I did the project work completely. Like the questions they have asked me. Mostly all are situational questions only.
So after the TR and MR rounds, you are asked with some HR questions, right? So what were the HR questions that were asked?
Coming to my HR questions, all are basic questions. Am I willing to relocate, and am I okay to work with any time, like during night and day shifts and during weekends? And they asked me about my achievements. I have said 4 achievements, and one of the interviewer asked me what is the best achievement in those 4 achievements, and I have explained that. And later my semester marks and non-academic achievements. That's it. That's all about my TR, MR and HR questions.
So what was the role that TCS has offered you?
Assistant System Engineer training.
Okay. So what was the package that in which they have offered you?
Based on the colleges and based on the selection process, their offer varies from 3.3 to 3.5 LPA.
Okay.
Selection process means and through NQT they will recruit, and through CodeVita and Inframind contest like that.
Yeah.
And one main important thing in TCS is after getting selection in TCS, before joining they will keep assessments. So if we score 80 plus, we can get 60K joining bonus. If we score 55 plus, then we will get 40K incentives before joining, and we can attempt any number of times. And we can get an upgrade test to write an digital profile. Finally, HR asked me, "Do you have any questions with me?" It is the most important thing that the interview should be two-way communication. We should be more interactive with the panel members. So I said, "Yes, ma'am, I have a question." I asked, what is the best thing in the TCS?" As I have read some articles in Quora, but I want to listen from yours, because you are a TCS employee. I want to listen from your side. Then ma'am explained all the best things and the achievements that TCS has, and I got a clarity of TCS. That's all about my TRMR and HR questions.
Sneha, can you tell me about the written test pattern for TCS Ninja?
Yeah. Before 1 month of actual exam dates, they will release a notification for NQT. We have to register for it. Now the written test process for NQT is, first round is a written test, and the second round is interview. In written test, there are 4 sections. The first section is quantitative aptitude. Second section is logical reasoning. Third section is verbal ability, and fourth section is programming MCQs, and fifth section is hands-on programming. So except coding, all these sections have sectional cutoff. So if we want to qualify for the first round, we need to clear the cutoff they have mentioned. And every year the NQT will be conducted for every 3 months.
Sneha, can you share your preparation strategy that you have used to crack this TCS Ninja?
Before 1 month of NQT exam, our college started a training for NQT. In the training, they have started from the scratch. They prepared ourselves very well. The training helped me a lot to crack my written test. And for interviews, I used to see your channel videos, which were shared by our seniors. Those videos helped me a lot. Not only me, most of my friends.
Sneha, before we end this interview experience, let's say if one fresher he is dreaming to step into IT industry, or especially in TCS, so what were the suggestions would you suggest?
First, be focused on the written test, because if we crack the written test, then we can easily crack the interview. So be prepared and practice on aptitude, numerical ability, and logical reasoning. These 3 sections plays a very key role to crack the written test. And coming to interview, if we have good communication skills and we are good at we are very confident to by giving the answer, we can easily crack the interview too. So be confident and keep smile on your face and give your interview. I hope my video will help my juniors and viewers to crack the TCS NQT.
Yeah, definitely. Your tips will definitely help the freshers to get into TCS. Yeah, thank you, Sneha, for your valuable time.